Hi, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Brittany. I'll be guiding you in this 15-minute deep stretch. It's your daily tune-up, something that you can just hop right into, do if you don't have a lot of time, and it's perfect for maintaining your mobility. We'll be targeting the entire body today through signs of stretching, otherwise known as gravity yoga. So this is where we hold stretches for a longer period of time, passively and relaxed, so that gravity does the work. And this will help you gain so much mobility. It's great. I love this stuff. And I will continue to make videos for you as long as you want them. So let me know by liking and subscribing. That helps a lot. Okay, let's get right into it. We're gonna need a strap today. And if you don't have a strap, you could just use a little towel. I'm gonna use this little like hand towel looking thing. We're gonna get started in a forward fold ragdoll. So come to stand. Bring your feet about hip distance apart, slightly wider. Outer edges of the feet are parallel. Slight bend into your knee, especially if you're working with tight hamstrings. And then just drop your chest down, your arms down, relax your head and neck. Option to always take this up against a wall if you need to. Just press your bum against the wall. Let your torso be heavy here. Relax your head and neck. So we'll continue with the 3 principles of science of stretching. It's our 4 to 8 breath. Inhaling through the nose to the count of 4. Exhaling out the mouth to the count of 8. We're going to be here for 3 minutes. So go ahead and inhale through your nose. Exhale out your mouth, a sound. Inhale back through your nose. Exhale out your mouth. Relax your shoulders down. Continue to relax your head and neck. And relax any tension in your face, letting your jaw go. You can keep your arms straight. If you'd like, you could reach for opposite elbows. We're about 2 minutes in. So we continue to deepen into our breath. And we also think wet noodle here. So wherever possible, relax your muscles as if it's just this wet noodle, because our muscles stretch best when relaxed. So here's really where you're going to relax your torso, your head and neck, your shoulders. You're stretching all along the back side of your thighs, your hamstrings, those muscles that get super tight from all the sitting we do. Got about 30 seconds left here. Take another deep breath in through your nose, fill up your belly. Open mouth, exhale, sigh it all out. Good, bend into your knees. Release your hands down to the ground. And then sink your hips down, down, down. We're gonna come into a malasana, deep squat. So feet are out wide, toes out slightly. Sink your hips down, down, down. And then hands come out, palms up, and then drop your head and neck. Let your head and neck be heavy here. Tailbone sinks down. Relax your face. Opening up into our hips here. This is a really effective way of getting deeper into the hips, because we tend to be at a 90-degree angle mostly when we sit. So we lose a lot of mobility in our hips, but we can always get mobility back. And if your ankles or your heels lift up here, feel free to fold a blanket and put it underneath your heels. Or if you have a couple of blocks, you could place a block or two underneath your bum, a couple pillows. There's always ways to modify these stretches. We're going to be here for 3 minutes. We're already a minute in. Deepen into your breath. Notice your breath. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Open mouth, exhale, side out. Inhale back through your nose. Exhale out your mouth. Continue to sink your hips down. Readjust slightly if you need to. Palms continue to face up. Head and neck are relaxed. Going into the last minute here. And the third principle of science of stretching is to meet or beat your whole time. So this deep squat will last now. We're holding for 3 minutes. Try to stay with me the whole time. If you need to tap out early, that's okay. Next time, just try to stay in just a little bit longer. You're doing great. Take one last deep breath in. And then exhale it out through your mouth. Great. Slowly come out of that. And now come into a kneeling position, toes down, sit onto your heels. Reach for your strap or your towel. Place it into your right hand. Bend your elbow back with your left hand. Reach behind for it. Yes, and walk your hands as close together as you can. Sit down into your heels. Let me start the timer. And then lift your chin up and press the back of your head into your top hand. And deepen into your breath. Inhale through your nose. Exhale out your mouth. Inhale nose. Exhale mouth. We're going to be here for 2 minutes on each side. We're already about a minute in. Oh, this is so good if you have tight shoulders, tight upper back, which, face it, we all do. Especially with all the hunching that we do, whether it be on our phone, on the computer. So our shoulders start to get really tight. We want to open that all back up. Continue to lift your chin up, pressing the back of your head into your hands. And we're in this kneeling position so that we can open up into our quads, the top of our thighs. And we're also getting a nice little stretch into the top of our ankles. And an option here is to always place a pillow in between your hips and your heels for added support. We're almost there. Take one last deep breath in. Open mouth, exhale. Good, release. Opposite side, take the towel or strap into your left hand. Bend your elbow back behind you. Take your opposite hand, find the bottom of the strap or towel, walk your hands together. And then sink down into your heels. Lift your chin up. Press the back of your head into your hand. Relax your face. Think wet noodle wherever you can. So sometimes that's even thinking about our faces, relaxing any tension in our face. Notice your breath. Inhale through your nose. Open mouth, exhale. Inhale, nose. Exhale, mouth. You got a minute left. You're doing great. Stay with it. It's worth it. This is one of my favorite stretches to do during the day when my upper back is getting tight and I'm feeling pain in my back. It really does wonders. It really helps to open my back up. Takes away the pain. Frees up space in your body. We're literally creating more space in our body when we hold these stretches for a longer period of time, slowly opening it up. One last deep breath in. Open mouth, exhale. Good, slowly release. Wonderful job. I know that's not easy. All right, now we are going to tuck our toes under, sit on our heels. Now we're gonna get a nice stretch into our feet, which we don't do often enough. And now we're gonna interlace our fingers behind our back, press your fingers down, sit onto your heels. If you're not able to interlace your fingers, use that strap or towel, hold on to that instead. All right, let's go. Toes tucked under, sitting onto your heels, interlacing your fingers. Press your fingers down towards the ground. Hug your shoulders together. Open up your chest. Lift your chin up. Breathe. Inhale through your nose. Open mouth, exhale. Inhale, nose. Exhale, mouth. Continue to press your shoulder blades together. Broaden through the collarbones. Lift your chin up. Readjust if you need to interlace your fingers together better, if it's starting to slip. And try to keep your toes tucked under. I know that gets intense with all the walking, all the stuff we do on our feet. This stretch is really beneficial. You got about 30 seconds left. Stay with it, stay with me. Let's do this together. I'll take one more deep breath in. Open mouth, exhale, side out. Gently release your hands. We got one more stretch to do. Let's get into Sphinx pose. Lay on your belly. Tops of the feet are down. Feet are about hip distance apart. And then come onto your forearms. Palms are down. It's like your forearms are number 11. Chin is parallel with the ground. Press your pelvis down. And then slide the ground towards you with your hands as you press your chest forward. Keep the chin parallel with the ground. Relax your face. For Sphinx pose, this is a nice gentle back bend. Really helps to relieve back pain. Continue to drag the ground towards you as you slide your chest forward. Notice your breath. Inhale through your nose. Exhale out your mouth. Inhale nose. Exhale mouth. We're 1 minute in. We got 1 minute left. You're almost there. Thirty more seconds. Continue to press your pelvis down, tops of the feet down. Take one last deep breath in. And open mouth, exhale, side out. And slowly release. Press yourself up. You did it. Thank you for stretching with me. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.